Mary.
Mary.
Ano yung favorite subject natin?
Break time.
Yan. Ma'am Bea, yan. Ano po yung favorite subject natin? Math! Wow, math! Merienda, almusal, tanghalian, hapunan, math. Yan. Baka po magkamali ako yan. Good afternoon na lang po. Good afternoon po. Ano pong name natin? Camille! Ano po favorite subject natin?
Lunch.
Sir, ano pong name natin? Sir Bonbon, favorite subject? Recess. Sir, good afternoon po. Ano pong name natin? Gilbert, sir. Gilbert. Favorite subject, sir? Simple lang, ano po? Basketball. Parang hindi mga subject yung sinabi niya. Don't worry, guys. Kaya personal ko kanina, hindi po tayo sasayaw, hindi po tayo kakanta. Simple lang po ang gagawin natin, mag-drawing lang po tayo. So, atin po, thank you for this class. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bon. Yan. Before we start, pakita na lang po ng name sa baba. Yan, pa-portrait po. Yan. Mama. Pagkata po. Yan. Yan. Name niyo po sa baba. Yan. Good job, ladies. Good job. Name niyo po, name. Yan, name niyo po. Yan. Don't worry kami, hindi rin ako marunong bumasa. Okay, players, this game is what we call the art contest game. Simple lang po ang gagawin natin. Mag-drawing lang po tayo. Mag-drawing lang po. Yan. Wait lang po. Yan. Mag-drawing lang po tayo. Pero, lalagyan po siya natin ng twist. Players, pag sinabi ko po, players, cover your face. You need to cover your face using the illustration board. Ganito po. Yan. Yung whiteboard po, facing to your face. To the blackboard, facing to the audience. Players, pag sinabi ko po, players, I want you to draw your kissable lips. You have to draw your kissable lips without looking. Yan. So players, bumuha po tayo ng face natin. Yan. Yan. Without look. Bawal pong tignan, bawal pong burahin. No cheating po. Makikita po tayo ng kids natin. So players, cover your face. Cover face. Come on, good. Yeah, sir, good job. Yeah. Okay, for my first part, I want you to draw your pointed nose. Wow. Good job. Good job, Umbea. I said pointed nose, hindi po tuka. Good job. Yan, good job. Wow. Sir Bon, nasa po yung nose natin? Yan, pointed na. Good job, Sir Bon. Good job. Pointed. Yan. Okay, for my next part, players, I want you to draw your left and right eyes with eyelashes and eyebrows. Wow. Good job, players. Good job. Wow. Left and right eyes. Wow. Yeah. Good job, players. Good job. Okay, this time, players, I want you to draw your shape of your face o yung hugis ng mukha natin. If you're round shape, square shape, yan, triangle shape, whatever. Just throw it. Wow. Good job, viewers. Good job. Wow. Yan, good job, yan. Okay, this time, players, I want you to draw your left and right ears o yung tenga natin. Wow. Good job. sa baba, yung tinatawag nilang crowning glory nila o kanilang buhok. Okay, Tista players, I want you to draw your hair o yung buhok sa ilong. Hindi, buhok. Yan, buhok. Wow! Wow! Good job! Wow, good job, players, good job. Yan. Okay, for my last part, I want you to draw your neck o yung liig natin. Come on guys, last part, liig. Come on. Ma'am Jen, yan. You don't need to draw your neck. Yan. Yan, medyo ano po kayo, yan. Yan, Ma'am Camille, I said neck, hindi po pangil. Okay, players, bawal pong tingnan. Yan, bawal pong tingnan. Picture taking po together with Ate Janelle. Yan. Together with Mami, yan. Dito po tayo. Ma'am Camille Medios. Dito po tayo. Yan, sa gitna po sila. Yan. Yan, wow. Love it. Yan, okay. One, cover your face. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Wow! Akalain niyo kahit nasa likod ng illustration board, nakasmile sila. Players, bawal tingnan, okay? Medyo mabubulat kayo yan. Players, pwede na po. Yeah. Okay, paano pa mag-judge kung sino mananalo? Simple lang po. Guys, all you have to do is clap your hands. Yeah. Kung sino yung pinakamagaling mag-drawing at kung sino yung parang kamukha talaga nila, yung palakpakan lang po natin. Uulitin ko po, mapahawak ko. Kung sino may pinakamaraming palakpak, siya yung may pinakamaraming kamagana. Yan. Okay, first, who's in favor with Ma'am Jen? Good job. Mary. Next, who's in favor of Meryl? Meryl, mukhang konti yung dala natin kamagana. Wow, what a kissable lips. Good job, Ma'am Bea, good job. Next, who's in favor with Ma'am Bea? Wow, good job. Nadaan sa kissable lips. And next, who's in favor with Ma'am Camille? Wow, good job. Nanonood po ba kayo ng Immortal? John Lloyd po, John Lloyd. Wow, Cyclops. Next, who's in favor with Ma'am Sorbon? Parang may galit kay Sorbon. Wow! Ito ang tinatawag na art. Logic. Yeah. And last but not the least, who's in favor with Sir Gilbert? Yeah.
Logic.
Logic, sir. Ito sir yung sa Paris. Yeah. Okay, I think we have a winner. Si Ma'am Bea! Good job, Ma'am Bea! Good job. Special prize to Ate Yvonne. The drawing players may wash area po tayo dito sa side. Pwede po tayo mabugas ng kamay natin. Salamat po, salamat.